Hi guys, welcome to our channel, FemMNY. If you're new here, we're glad to have you here. And to all our subscribers, thank you so much for coming back and thank you for joining me. If you want to know how to make balloon design or balloon decoration, this is the perfect channel for you, FemMNY. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. So with that said, we're here at the venue. Let's start the balloon clusters. We'll put the balloon clusters together and later we'll put this in a round arch backdrop stand. So this is clusters of 6 balloons. Basically, we will connect them all together using our 260 balloon. Okay, you can either use 260 balloon or you can use curling ribbon or fishing line. Okay, with that said, put this down. I'll start with the first balloon, 260 balloon. You just have to tie this on here. Make a knot or 2. So once it's attached, I'll grab another one with the same color. Just like that. And then I'll get the glue. Like pink to this. Then back to glue. So just like that, repeat the process until you have enough balloon snake to complete the whole arch backdrop. Then connect another one. We'll make sure that this is not going to be too much on the backdrop circle. Alright, so we got the backdrop set up back there. This is a 8.5 height, and then we're going to be using this clip. This is where we're going to attach our balloons. By the way, when you attach this, put 260 balloon right on here and clip it right on the round arch backdrop. Then we'll hook this up there. Our fillers right here is 5 inches balloon. I pull rubber bands. And there you go, it's finally done. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you do have a question, please leave it in the comment section down below. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel, FamBamNY, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you, bye!